Hello dear people, today I wanted to talk to you how you can import PBR shaders like glass, like metal, like ceramic and other interesting materials. I will open up one of my projects and I will show you how to texture it. And there is one free web page where you can download PBR shaders, but I consider it to be important. But before I talk to you about it, and I hope you will like my video tutorial, and I'm using the latest version of Blender. As you can see, I like very much this update. They did lots of improvements. Okay, let's get back to work. When you type that web page, you can download free materials from this web page. You can also check what engine are you using. I only use Cycles engine. We have got very interesting materials over here. And I was thinking to check Crystal. How you can import shader. What you have to do. There is something called like a thing. When you use this option, this will allow you to import PBR shaders, upend, material, crystal. What I want to do here, I only want to apply crystal material to it, to upper part of the polygon. I turned on X-ray. Why I did that? Now, because this will allow me to select invisible polygons. And I will grow selection as well, as you can see. But I will have to use a completely different material. First, you have to assign a standard material. Then you can choose a crystal. I am very interested in how this material looks like. There are some other settings which you can adjust. The best way to check, I would rather to save this project. Make sure you select this, because this will save textures and materials to Blender file inside Blender file. Save. Revert. In the past, people, I reported one of the errors when you tried to save a project in second view or shading. Blender did not allow to do that, but I reported that error, and you can save materials even in secondary viewport. You had to be in first viewport shading. In first viewport shading, you won't be able to see that material. I have forgotten to assign. I wish I could actually level insect faces, because I need to check how this will look like after when I perform that operation. Also, bear with me because I need to bevel edges. I think now I have suitable object to check how everything will look like. In viewport shading, I will have to quickly turn everything on, including floor, scene light. I think I didn't add texture, sky texture, add texture, sky texture, you connect to color. I think I will have to change value. Don't worry about that value. I can type in 40. I prefer that value. Sun elevation. Sun rotation. I'm not happy with performance of the sun rotation. It looks very slow. I believe this is to do with probably render cycles. I think I have to decrease a little bit. In the viewport, only 40 samples. Now it should be okay, I believe. I'm very interested in how this will look like. My crystal material. Actually, it is looking very good. As you can see, when you select this, you can play around changing some settings, like roughness, like index of refraction, and we also have got some beautiful other things, lamp greater than. I will leave as it is because some settings seem to be quite complicated for me to adjust, but someone already made material clamp. What that value is to do with. You can also check because there's option like light paths. Make sure you select this. Shading. Receive shadows. I forgotten to mention, Blender supports caustic. I didn't talk about it. I forgotten to mention, Blender supports caustic. The old version of Blender did not have this possibility to support caustics. I completely forgotten people to mention about it. We have got some interesting settings which you can play around. I also have reflection material, but I showed you how interesting it is. Let's get back to PBR shader, one of the most important which I want to show you. I have to go to sleep in a minute, but I will show you. I will save separate thing. PBR shaders Blender Maga. I have to check how long my video is, because TikTok doesn't like long videos. Oh no, why I am too slow? And I will use different material. PBR metallic. PBR metallic is one of the most interesting material which I can show you right now. Okay, and unfortunately I didn't download, but I can type in. Hopefully I will be able to type in. I don't know if I can do that. PBR metallic. Hopefully this will be possible. what I could do, this will come up in a minute. I wanted to show you some interesting metals. PBR metallic. This material is wonderful. Uh, okay. Wait a minute. Because this material has got some very precious metals in it. Wait a minute. Why nothing comes up? Oh no. This should not be. Oh, hey, wait, Blender, what are you doing, Blender? I can't believe. The newest version of Blender probably does not support. Maybe I should be, maybe I should be um, in object mode. Okay, wireframe, all edges. Sorry people, this probably was my fault. Oh, now it is visible. Sorry people, it was my fault. I could not see this material. Now we have got metals like gold, titanium, silver, aluminium. I will choose titanium. Titanium. Location. Titanium. What we got here? Now, I think after that, I will have to check if I have got everything sorted out properly. No, I didn't put titanium here, less or more. Index of refraction is nothing to do. Titanium. This option deletes previous operation history. I think I should check animation viewport. Median point. I don't like when I have to adjust my camera. This is so annoying when Blender does not match my camera to the viewport of the object. I'm a little bit annoyed because of that. Because I still have to place camera. You can either do like that, field of view, but I don't have time to even think what I'm doing. No, I will do what I did before, because I got a graphics card which is fast enough, but not RTX. Okay. Now we have beautiful, interesting PBR, two different PBR shaders. People, I still have to adjust like sky texture. Gas, you can decrease this, and now in modeling viewport. I hope you like my video tutorial, people, and have a nice day, and that's it.